In this video, we'll show you what to do if Safari is showing the black screen on your iPhone and you can't seem to load any website. So to fix this, first head to the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Now in this menu, you need to scroll down and then find Safari on the list. Now here you need to scroll down and then look for this option called Clear History and Browsing Data. Now select all history and then enable this close all tabs option and then choose Clear History to confirm. Once you have done this, simply remove the Safari app from the recent apps menu and then try to open it again. If it still won't work, what you can do is try and restart your iPhone. So for that, open the control center and then tap on the power icon in the top right corner. Turn your iPhone back on and then see if the issue is resolved. If nothing else works, however, your last option is to simply head to the settings app. Now go to general menu and then check for any pending software updates. If there are any pending software updates here, simply install them and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.